Specifically focusing on the Tarun program, I think to share our vision in SEBI of why and how we conceived of it and why and how we think it will play an extremely important role going forward. When we think about investor education, when we think about responsible investing, right? We don't just want people to come into the market and do just speculative activity or just, something which is random, which results in their burning their fingers sooner or later, and then they just lose faith and trust in the market. The idea is that there should be a systematically available opportunity which is easily accessible, and then through that experience you have the learning. So if you think about all the little children, now though I think I should start saying grandchildren, but all the little children that we have brought up in our homes, and when they used to create these little Lego models, what was really happening? I think what was happening was the children were learning while they were doing. It was not a textbook education. It was not about saying what are the pieces that go into a car. It was about doing it with their own two hands and learning how a car is made. What is the difference between an ambulance and a police car, between a truck and a car? So as a child learns by doing with his own or with her own two hands, the idea was that this Tarun Yojana should be such that the children in their own name, the families in their children's name, should learn about this product by actually experiencing it and by touching and feeling it with their own two hands. I think that concept of education, which is an experiential learning and which is not about in a classroom or attending a conference, but actually on a daily basis or weekly basis or monthly basis, saying, oh, look what happened to my SIP now, and my this month's SIP has gone in, and that now the value of my SIP is so much. That touching, feeling, and experiencing is what creates the most lasting education in the minds of any human being, particularly children. So which is why this thought process of experiential learning and education and the concept of responsible investing was something that inspired us to think about this initiative. And as I said, I'm so delighted that it is, going to be very much, of course, it's a pilot, I understand, at this stage that we're going to be doing because it's a very new initiative and therefore a lot of learnings will come during the pilot period and then in future for scale up. And of course, the mutual fund industry does everything on huge scale. So the plans for when it is scaled up, after all the learnings are baked into it, is huge. I mean, some 20,000 crores will finally end up going into the hands of so many different children over the next 10 years. And that is something that is truly will create the experiential learning that we hope for.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.